Hey guys! So this video is going to be a little bit different today because I'm actually recording this by very popular request from my OutSchool students. So if you are in any of my OutSchool classes, I'm so happy to see you here. My students have grown to love my virtual backgrounds and they all want to know how to do them, and I'm not taking the time in class to walk them through how to do it. So I told them that I would post a video on my YouTube channel showing them how they can use a virtual background. Today I'm going to walk through the steps of how to set up a virtual background on your computer. And if you're not looking for the computer version, then you can stay tuned. I will post an iPad version in the future. So welcome to my super boring YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your virtual backgrounds in your Zoom classroom, in your OutSchool classroom. So to get to your virtual background settings, there's two ways to do that. And the first way is by checking this little green check mark. Find that little green check mark and click it. That's the easiest way. If you don't see that little green check mark, there's another way you can do it. You're going to go to the top of your screen where it says zoom.us and then scroll down to preferences, and it's going to open up the same thing. It opens up a control panel that looks like this. You're going to see where it says virtual background. Click on that. Most likely you don't have a green screen. This is a green screen. It's just a green background. Like the picture that you put on it is going to replace the whatever is green. If you don't have a green screen, make sure that that check mark is not clicked, because otherwise the background won't work. Okay, so once you go to your virtual background, you're actually going to see there are some backgrounds there for you to choose already. You can choose one of those, or you can click the little plus button. When you click the little plus button, it allows you to pick something from your computer to add as a background. Kids, do not share pictures without your parents' permission. This is super important, especially if you're on your parents' computer. This is also how you add videos, and you'll see my animated videos where I've got like the fish swimming around or the presents being thrown. If you guys have seen those videos, that's how I did that. In the future, I'm going to show you how to make your own backgrounds if that's something that you want to do. My backgrounds, I try to change them up periodically. The kids love them. It's much cheaper and much more efficient and much more fun to use a green screen and just make my own backgrounds. So that's what I've been doing instead of using the same backgrounds and just switching them out. That's what I've been doing. I like that so much better. I haven't even touched my other backgrounds. It's all then my green screen. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I will see you either in class or my next YouTube video. Bye!